Right, we're on his way to pick up. What are we picking up, Ben?
Canning machine.
Canning machine.
Excuse the boxes in the background.
Yeah, so we won't have a duo filler or anything like that just of yet, but we want the ability to be able to send people our beers.
Yeah.
Sending bottles is a pain.
Heavy.
Smashable. Hard to yeah.
Yeah. Don't fit in nicely.
No. So we've got a little day trip, and we're going up to, what's it called?
Little Black Dog Brewery, I think it is, or something like that.
In Selby, which is, what is it, in between Donny and
York,
yeah. So we're off there, and we're off to buy a canning machine off the gentleman from Little Black Dog Brewery. So we're going to do a little vlog.
Yeah, we're doing a vlog. It's going to be more vlog style today than... we are brewing a beer later, but...
Yeah, we're off to get a Mackey's.
We're off to, standard.
And we're brewing our porter.
House porter. Which is going to be available on the website at a very good price. So we're going to start this house range, which is just very simple beers at a very reasonable price. We're not going to make much money on it. We're just going to get the ingredients in, get them out there. Obviously we're in a cost of living crisis, so we're all feeling it. So we thought we'd, if you don't want to brew a mad beer, then simple beer. Price it well. And
when we say simple, we mean flavoursome and lovely.
Yeah.
But not using 500 grams of
2024 nectar on that costs a fortune to get in. You know what I mean?
And we're focusing on our cask styles a lot more going forward. We'll still be doing keg beer. I've still got kegs in the basement.
And you will still be able to serve them on keg, but the style we want is your typical cask pub sort of.
Yeah, because there's not enough of it. There's not enough of it. We've got a lot of people brewing like Belgian wit beers. when we live in Yorkshire, man. We want to dig up our history of beer drinking over the past 100 years, 200 years.
Talking about Yorkshire, sorry, they want to sort these bloody roadworks out on this ring road.
It's absolutely diabolical.
Leeds Council.
Yeah, so
absolute nightmare.
If anyone's watching, get a grip, right? Because everywhere we drive at the moment, there's blooming roadworks, and it's driving us up well.
It is.
So yeah,
we'll leave it there, and we'll catch you when we're further down the route.
Yeah, and you'll see us Mackey's as well. Right, so we just finished as Mackey's. I had a Mighty McMuffin brown sauce, 2 hash browns because I had plenty of points, and a large Coke. I also got a porridge with no spoon.
Yeah, and you can't drink because it's rock solid.
No, I'll try. We'll have a go.
Let's have a go.
Go on then, you bastards.
Mate, you look experienced at that technique.
So yeah, that's going well anyway.
It's not good, is it? I had Mighty McMuffin meal, ash brown, large Coke.
Happy days.
Solid. Right, we've got 44 minutes to go until we get the canning machine, so we'll see you there. Hi then gents, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that first part of the video when we got the canning machine. Camera has run out of battery, so that's on charge, so we're on the old mobile phones, but
we are indeed.
Back on the Brewzilla
today.
We've
had some fun interactions, haven't we?
Yeah, some interesting ones.
Yeah, little black dogs. So look out, there might be a partnership coming forward.
Yeah.
But today.
But today.
Is porter.
It is. There's the grain bill. So dark malts aren't in this. We put these in the last 15, don't we? Because we don't particularly like the astringency that they give, even though it's a dark beer. Still prefer it without it being too crazy.
It's the acidity.
We
get off the dark malts if we're adding them in early, because the long mashing process extracts a lot of acidity from it. It's not really what we're going for. We want the smoky darkness from it, but we don't want the horrendous acidic astringency that you can get from having dark malts in your mash for too long. So we've got them separated. I'll just show you them in a minute.
And we did this in the mild as well, and we thought it turned out really well, didn't we? So
yeah, we still got all them lovely flavours from the malt, but we didn't end up with a harsh acidic bite.
Yeah.
I did have a dark mild the other day from a pub in Slough. I mean, it was £3 a pint, so I was like, oh, bonus. And then it was just, yeah. It was so hard to drink, and that's just from them adding malts at the start of the mash.
Yeah.
So,
we've got no sparge water heater, so we are doing full volume mash.
So I'm not expecting to hit our original gravity.
Bang on.
Me and Ben brew together. We travel from each other's houses, and you know, we've got different bits of kit at each other's all the time. And to be honest, I'm probably better off bringing my little sparge water heater up here.
Yeah. Keep it
Fuck.
Leave that in there. So, gonna get mashed in. It's an hour mash. We'll come back to you once the mash is done.
Yeah. So we added the black malts in it.
We did try and record it, but we forgot to press record.
Yeah, we fluffed it a bit on that one, didn't we?
Yeah. Been concentrating on canning. We've got it sorted now.
Yeah. So canner's set up, so we can can his beer when we can get the temperature differentiation right. But we're just pulling now, so...
Looks like a good colour as well, doesn't it? When it's coming out of pump. A really good colour.
Looks like a porter anyway.
Yeah, absolutely.
So yeah.
Let this drain out, we'll start going for the boil.
Yeah, man.
Onto the boil. Apologies, we haven't been recording as much on the brewing part, so we've been messing with the canning machine.
We have indeed. Happy
days.
days.
Get that right.
Here we go.
Hopefully, that's a sealed can of beer. It is.
There's no coming out of that. Right, let me crack it.
Do you want me to crack it?
Yeah.
I can do it one-handed.
Can you?
Yeah, should be able to.
Here she comes. Pint glass out there ready. So this is a Hefeweizen we've had laying around that we were supposed to do. You know, we were supposed to mix it with some juices and make a Schaffenhofer. So we will do that, promise. Ben told me it was carbonated, it's not, but...
It's not carb the best, but it'll do.
No, there's definitely some carbonation needed.
Yeah.
It's flat as a pancake. Blow me in it, but...
Tastes alright though, just needs freeze, doesn't it?
Tastes like an Hefeweizen. Just need some more bubbles in it, Ben.
Yeah, we'll get there. It's been a good trial. We tried water initially, didn't we, and then moved on to that. So
yeah, so porter's on, Hefeweizen on. We've got a canning machine, bosh.
Back to the brew.
Back to the brew.
Camera's back.
Messing
it's finally
about
got
with,
some charge.
Messing about with canning machine. We finally got there.
Yeah.
Just unfortunately, Ben's beer's not in the fridge or properly carved. It's either one or other.
Yeah.
It's either warm or flat.
Literally.
Two of the worst things. So 60-minute edition for the porter. Thank you very much. And that's just Challenger. Emperor at 10 minutes.
Yep.
Transfer is underway.
Ignore the temperature, it's not correct.
Yes. I'm sure when it gets into there, this cooler's been running for ages, so
Yeah,
we're confident it'll be a decent pitching temp.
look at that colour, mate. Get in there.
That looks like stout or porter to me. I could be wrong.
Make sure I've got the tap closed, which I have. So before we went out earlier, I got some starter cans, filled it up, chucked the yeast in, and we come back and it was
Going like a
going
mad
like
dog.
crazy, yeah. So we ain't used to stir it. The yeast was quite old, so we decided to start it, didn't we? But
£5 says you won't drink it.
oh, fucking well, drink it.
In she goes. Smell that.
That was nice, didn't it? Yes, the glass was sanitised.
Oh no.
It was. We forgot.
So yeah, transfer's underway. It's off in bucket. It's off in fridge, which was a serving fridge, but we're making do for now.
Yeah.
Canner's here. We're here.
We've spent the afternoon tidying the garage. Spin round.
Yeah. Oh. You might have seen it before, but nothing's in the middle now. It's all tidy.
And we've been planning out the bar
Yeah.
slash what build? Brewing area build.
Yeah.
So plan is switch round.
Are they gonna
We're gonna tell him because we're gonna record it anyway.
go on then?
To about here, bar, straight across.
Yeah.
This we're gonna roof here because we can't touch the actual roof because it's asbestos. So we're gonna roof across, and then we're gonna build frames, chipboard the walls, run electrics down. We're gonna have heater on the wall, so it's nice and toasty in here. We're gonna insulate the roofing bit. Keezer probably here, with lines run behind the back wall, all insulated, going into the bar and into the fonts. Some stairs, little TV on the wall that pulls out. Going to put some decent lights in so we can do live streams on the back, and then we'll flip around again.
Swapsies.
This half of the garage is going to be brewing area, so we're thinking sink there, stainless steel there, another work surface here, and then that rack in maybe here, but we're going to put a worktop in so we can like store Kegland underneath. Flooring, we're going to put some waterproof flooring down this half, probably just end up lino in the bar area, or wooden it. So this is what I say we're going to do. If it actually comes to fruition,
It will.
it's going to be over winter and it's going to be some very cold nights. We've got some horrific spider webs.
Ben's scared of them.
God's honest truth, spiders about this big in it. It's got eggs and everything,
Of
so
course it has. It's a mother.
I know.
She's staying.
Not me. Yeah, so we're just going to try and utilise it as much as we can, make it warm, get a little heater in here so in winter we can do some live streams and have a permanent place to do tastings and that.
We can invite the locals over for
That's
beer,
it.
which I think they'll quite enjoy.
It's all getting alarmed in a few days' time. We need to put some extra security in on it, but yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be good.
Happy days.
So let's go back to the beer. Nearly there.
Back to the beer.
Look at that. That's aeration if you've ever seen it.
That looks like it's got oxygen in it.
Sure does. Really good brew on the Brewzilla. Once again, we do. We've had a bit of a love-hate relationship with it over the.
We started off hating it. Now we
just love it.
We don't even realise we're brewing now, do
No,
we? Really?
it's just
Very,
dead
very
easy.
non-manual.
But it's good because on brew days we have so much to do. We have the editing to do. We catch up. We come up with plans. Today we were messing around with cannula. Whenever we get together, we end up brewing, don't we? So we do have other stuff to do, and we just find it's dead simple. Our last of that is still about. They will be coming out, but at the moment,
We need to do his next brew, innit?
yeah, because we haven't seen each other much. We've just got so much business admin. You know, we have all the accounts to do and everything. Even though all we do is it just funds itself, but You know, we're talking about new ops, new recipes, so when we do actually get together, it's just dead easy to do a brew in it, isn't it? It's a lot less so.
And we might have something going forward where we brew some of our beer commercially and release it, which we've been in talks with, so that'll be fun. Potentially,
very early talks, but yeah, that might be coming as well.
Yeah.
We've got a lot in the pipeline. It's now saying 17 degrees, so obviously it was cooler on top, so hopefully that should equal out, but I'm happy with that. The brew day's gone really well on it.
Yeah, man.
Dead chuffed. Gonna get into fridge now, leave it for a few weeks to do its thing.
Yeah, boy.
And happy days, we'll be away, so.
Right, we're signing off.
Yeah, leave the video there. Thanks so much for watching. This is the house porter. Don't know when this video goes out, if it'll be available. Might be available at the tasting, but link for the website's here if you do want to buy any kits. Tanker Brewing the group. Cracking group of lads, most of you that watch are in it now, so.
We'll add some screen records in of the website and the group and everything. And
so you've got on there.
We want to get up to 100 members in group.
Yeah.
We're up to 70 and we haven't been going very long, so
no,
want to get a load more people in, so if you've got any pals, invite them in. Come and have a look at some beer and talk about it. Go on, Ben, shake it, lad. Shake it, lad. Shake it, lad.
Right.
You got to funnel around with that.
Cheers, everyone.
Take care, guys.
See you later.
Bye bye.